Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Kaufmann, and it's time for us to go beyond the terminus with a Product Quickie. Proper temporization and maintenance of coronal seal is an important part of doing multi-step, multi-appointment endodontic treatment. In cases when we're waiting for sinuses to close, when we've medicated the canals with calcium hydroxide, or when we're performing long-term apexification, it's important that we do not have canals contaminated between the appointments. So what are you using in the chamber for interim temporization of your endodontic cases? While this may not be a huge issue, I always have been annoyed at how dentists use cotton pellets as spacers to close their endodontic accesses. I'm perpetually wrapping these cotton pellets around my burr of my handpiece when I re-access the case. The noise this makes frequently startles the patient and makes quite a mess. At that point, the burr will inevitably be so bound up in the cotton that the only expedient solution is to have my assistant change the burr rather than try to disentangle the cotton from the burr. Another reason to avoid cotton is that occasionally fibers of the cotton pellet will protrude from the access of the temporary filling or out of the proximal surfaces, risking recontamination of the canals. Instead of using cotton pellets, we now use mini Ortho Sponges, the kind of sponges that are used to etch teeth to allow binding of brackets during ortho treatment. We use these under our temporary fillings. Unlike cotton, these sponges are compressible. They have no fibers and generally dissolve after a time when in contact with calcium hydroxide during the period of canal medication. On re-access of the canal, they can be easily flushed away with irrigation. The sponges can also be cut to smaller sizes for use as spacers when I provide retention spaces in the orifices for cores or in post spaces over the calcium hydroxide that I place in the prepared post space. This prevents ingress of temp material and recontamination. These inexpensive ortho sponges are available from any ortho product supplier for around $20 each for a container of 500 pellets. That will last you a very long time, especially if you're a general dentist. Remember, this channel is unsponsored by any manufacturer, so I can give you my unbiased opinion. Remember, when we do the right thing, both of us get better, patients and clinicians. Thanks for checking in, and don't forget to subscribe and like so you won't miss another product recommendation. See you next time when we go beyond the terminus.